Expand arc cos x and use x equals 0.5 to find pi to 1 dp. So here f of x is equal to arc cosine x, so f dash then, standard derivative, is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared, with a minus, isn't it? So that's equal to minus 1 minus x squared. Let's get everything on ground level, to the minus a half. F double dash then is equal to, differentiate this function of function, so the minuses cancel, we get half, 1 minus x squared to the 1 less, multiplied by the something differentiated minus 2x. Tidy that up then, the 2's cancel, we get a minus x, 1 minus x squared to the minus 3 over 2, f3, product rule, so it's u, div dx, this is a function of a function, 1 less, multiplied by the something differentiated. That's u div dx plus v times du dx, which is minus 1. Okay, that's what we've got then. So we need the f0s, don't we? So let's put them in. F of 0 is arc cos 0. Cosine of pi over 2 is 0, so that's pi over 2. F dash 0, I'll put it here, so we've got room. Put 0 in here, we get 1 to a power, minus 1. F double dashed, at 0 equals, here we got a 0, so that will be a 0 in the product, so the whole thing's 0. F3 of 0. Here, this is 0, this term, isn't it, because it involves x's. And this here, we got 1 to a power times minus 1 is minus 1. So, fx, which is arc cos x, is equal to f0, which is pi over 2, plus f dashed, which is minus 1 lot of x, f double dashed, which is 0, f3, which is minus 1, over 6, isn't it? Okay, so arc cos is equal to this, minus dot dot dot. So now if we put in x equals, so subs x equals 0.5, the arc cos of 0.5 is pi over 3 gives, so pi over 3 then is equal to pi over 2 minus 0.5, which is a half, minus a half cubed is 8, 1/8, divided by 6 is 1 over 48, 8 sixes are 48. So that implies then, if we move the pi over 3 over to the right hand side, pi over 2 minus pi over 3, a half minus a third is a sixth. And then if we move the other two terms over the other side, it's a half plus 1 over 48. And I've written that down from right to left, of course, the other ways around, so we get that. So that tells us now then that pi is equal to 6 times a half plus 1 over 48, which is pretty rudimentary, but hopefully we'll be able to get pi to 1 dp here, because that's all the question requires. So let's have a look at that then. So it's 6 times bracket a half, 0.5, plus 1 divided by 48, close bracket, 25 over 8, 3.125, so that's 3.1 to 1 decimal place.